With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, so here's a question. It says that let f be a function from R to R defined by f of x equals to cos of 5x plus 2, then f is. Okay, so basically we have to find out the nature of this function. That is, it is injective, surjective, or bijective, right? So let's start. Let me write down the function first. That is f of x equals to cos of 5x plus 2, right? So let's draw the graph of this function. We know that the graph of cos of x is somewhat like this, right? The graph for cos of x looks like this, right? This is pi by 2. This is pi. Similarly, here we have minus pi by 2 and here we have minus pi, right? And this is basically 1 and the minimum value is minus 1, right? So the graph of cos of 5x plus 2 will also follow the same basic nature but will look like this. Okay, it will be a bit compressed because here we have multiplied 5 with it, right? So it will be like this. Basically, this is the graph of cos of 5x, right? For the graph of 5x plus 2, cos of 5x plus 2, we have to shift this graph to the left hand side by 2 units, right? By 2 units. So the final graph of cos of 5x plus 2 will be like this. Okay, it will look somewhat like this, right? Here also the maximum value will be 1 and the minimum value will be minus 1, right? So from here we can see that for different values, if I take this thing into consideration, so I can see that for different values of x, I'm getting the same value of y, right? So this function is not injective, right? This function is not injective because we get the same values of y for different values of x. Also, the codomain given to us in the question was r, right? But here we can see that our function is basically fluctuating in between minus 1 to 1 only, right? So the range of our function is basically from minus 1 to 1. So since codomain is not equal to range, so our function is not onto, right? So our function is neither injective nor onto. Onto means basically surjective, right? So our function is neither injective nor surjective. So the last option that remains is none of this, right? So option D, that is none of this, will be the correct option, right? I hope this will help you. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.